Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
India Alliance म्हणून जे local election alliance लढले, this is a clear message. The nation media is also watching, the nation is watching how India Alliance has forged local leadership to fight election in spite of the fact that there were objections from the cadre, from the leaders of local parties. As party president, Congress पक्षान आम्ही गोवा फॉरवर्ड सगळ्यांनी मिळून एक कलेक्टिव्ह डिसिजन घेतले. There was lot of objections to it, lot of dissidents तयार झाले, some have resigned also, but at the end of it, it sent a clear message that as party presidents, as collective decision, our leadership, we have taken a decision to go for the people of Goa, for the people of this country, and this is the way ahead.
सगळे आमचे भाऊ जे इंडिया एअरलायन्सचा आमचे सांगाताक रावल्या. So this lead is for India Airlines and is for Aam Aadmi Party candidate is me. So सगळ्यांक बरें दिसता कित्याक after MP election, this was the second election on the airlines ticket. So it is proud feeling that I won the election on airlines ticket. So it's good.
आज हांव सगळ्या लोकांक सांगूंक सोदितां की जेन्ना हाजें ZP इलेक्शन जातालें तेन्ना आमगे सुराले गांवांत एक पंचागेलें इलेक्शन चलतालें. ते पंचा इलेक्शनांत हांव आमदार जावन मातशें कुसान हांव मेटे जालो ना. कित्याक द मेसेज इज व्हेरी क्लियर. ग्रासरूट इलेक्शनां आमी मेटे जायनाय आनी ग्रासरूट इलेक्शन इज फॉर ग्रासरूट. पूण हें ZP इलेक्शन सिंबलार आहलें आनी सिंबलार आहल्यार पॉलिटिकल पार्टी आमी मुखार सरपाची गरज आसा आनी ताका लागून आज आमी ग्रावंडार आहले. ही विक्ट्री बाणाले लोकांची, बाणाले लोकांनी आज दुसरे पार्ट दाखोवन दिल्ल्या. लोकसभेक कॅप्टन विर्याताक आमी लीड हाडल्या, आतां आमी आमगे जोझफाक लीड हाडल्या, आनी दीस विक्ट्री इज फॉर युनिटी.